Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your PicWish app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down, you keep going down here, then you will find apps. Click on it. You come to next step here, and here you're looking for PicWish app, or just click on search. Then here add PicWish. It's going to show for you like this here. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click on for stop. Click on OK. So then you go down. You just click here on storage. You come to storage this here. Then you click on clear cache. So then all you have to do next, you just restart your phone, install it again. Then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.